We are at Eastfield and parish of St. Catherine.
Where you guys grew up?
Well, I was born here in Linstead, but I grew up in a district further on the road called Coolshade. I spent like 14 years there, then migrate. I'm now living in Portmore, but I'm here for a few hours to look for her.
Cicely Garrett Selvin.
This is Cicely Garrett Selvin in your kitchen. This is in what place? Where are we located now?
Heathfield.
Heatfields, St. Catherine,
Yes.
near Linstead.
Yes.
And today you're going to talk about some herbs
Yes.
and some bush. While you cook, what are you cooking?
Random mackerel.
Rundown mackerel. All right, do your thing. We're going to set up the stove and light the flame.
I really like that one. Looks. I really use it for.
Okay. So now tell me about the coal. How you make it?
Chop down the green trees. The trees. Like we fall some trees from time last week. And when we cut down the trees, we cut them up in small pieces. And we pack them together like this. Pack them up together. These are the wood, you know. Pack up the wood together. I wish I use some wood and packing it.
So you pack it up like that. That's good.
I use some wood. I will pack it up like this. But this is food, so we should I use some wood. 2 pieces of wood. And then we pack it up with the wood. And then now we throw some bush on it. And then we dirt it. And light it from down the bottom and it burn come up. So we get the coal.
How long it take?
Depends on how you like the skin. It can take you 4 days, 3 days. Depends on the size of the skin.
Does the food taste different when you use coal?
Yeah, man.
Because of the coal.
Because of the salt from the coal.
Okay.
The coal give you a salt. I will carry a salt with it. And from that salt now food become tasteable.
So you have to put salt in there.
Yeah, you can, but I mean, if you don't have the salt, you can use the ashes and salt, but you know.
Yeah.
The white pretty ashes that you get from the coal.
And
if you don't have any salt to put into the pot, you start the pot, you just throw a little of the plain ashes in